tainted candidates who are there will continue till the fresh selection process. How can you permit them to participate?
Kindly next, this disabled person will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection.
Tainted candidates.
According to our reading, this is there. That is the
See,
reason.
the next line.
If the losses hold it, I will cancel.
Specifically,
if your
candidates who are not
if your losses hold that, if your losses hold that, we'll cancel. We have nothing to do. We have to carry out the orders of the court.
That means you say that you are aware that they are in the tainted list, but only because of the fact that they are physically handicapped.
That's right, exactly. I am saying so in terms of paragraph 46 and 47.
All right.
Reading 10 marks issue on 28, my lord. I did not open my mouth about the 10 marks on 28, my lord. Regarding, my lord, the interview list, my lord, there are some candidates.
Interview list.
Yes.
All right. Some candidates.
Are tainted.
All right.
They are in the tainted list published by the commission. My lord, kindly turn page number 58.
Yes.
This interview list. One Nitish Ranjan Bormon.
Serial number?
Serial number 14.
14.
This is interview list. Now, my lord, very next page. That is tainted list. Serial number 958. Nitish Ranjan Bormon. In tainted list.
1 minute, list of all candidates as per. This is the list of tainted candidates.
Tainted list. Because this is a bulky list, so that's why, my lord,
right.
the relevant page and in the above, my lord, there is
mentioned. Where is his name?
Paragraph. Page number 958.
958.
Yes,
and is this the same person?
Yes, my lord. That's my queries, my lord.
Whether
that's
the same person
yes,
or not.
Number very next page, my lord, kindly I will make thereafter, my lord, the appropriate submission, my lord. Why, when, what in this interregnum period, what is my prayer?
Because see, the roll number is different.
Because of that is tainted list roll number is the in pursuance of 2016 selection process, and this page number 58 in pursuance of second SLST 2025. So how could I identify?
All right.
My senior.
Yes.
I wanted to. Sir,
Milord, he has given some instances, Milord, admittedly, Milord, this selection process that is made to be vitiated from day one. They could not have, Milord, allowed these persons to appear, apart from other issues which are pending. And this can only be, Milord, done if, Milord, the OMR sheets with all details, particulars are published. We can then find out how many, Milord, tainted people have been allowed to participate.
Done. Published for
Well, these are our short submission on prayer.
This is one candidate you found out. There are others also.
No, but I have given series from 58, then kindly turn to next page.
So you've got quite a few.
Quite a few, and many other would be definitely revealed, subject to, Milord, the publication of OMR sheets giving details so that we can compare.
All right.
But we have no other means, Milord, to go into the detail and compare. Whatever has come out, we have given it.
Yes, your submission.
Kindly come to paragraph 14.
Paragraph 14.
Yes. Paragraph 14. They have given the name. First is one Nitish Ranjan Bormon, tainted, but physically handicapped. Supreme Court has protected him.
No.
Please, let me. I will. Next, Milord, Devlina Mondal. This spelling is not correct. Therefore, I can't say what is the answer. Next is Narayan Chandopal. This is physically handicapped. According to us, Supreme Court has protected. If your lordship said don't give him, we will not. Joynal Abedin spelling is not correct. These are the 4 instances have been given. 4 instances, Milord, I have taken the instruction. Now, Milord, kindly see the Supreme Court judgment.
Page.
Paragraph. No, just kindly give me one. Milord, kindly come to paragraph.
Page 40.
Page 48. Page 40. Kindly come of the judgment. Paragraph 14. Can I simulate? Lastly, we address the case of the disabled candidates Our attention has been drawn to one such case where the impugned judgment held that the appointee, Mrs. Shoma Das, shall be allowed to continue on humanitarian grounds. While we will not interfere with the findings, we make it clear that other differently able candidates will not be entitled to same benefit as would contradict legal principles and the rule of law. However, in consideration of their disability, these candidates will be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection processes appointed are completed. These disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection process if required with age relaxation and other concession. Similarly, other candidates who are not specifically so. There were these disabled candidates in terms of the for paragraph 48 and 49. They have been given chance. Otherwise, they will
So, 1 minute. The disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the
fresh
fresh,
selection process.
if required. Other
If required,
candidates
age
who are
relaxation
not
and other concessions.
specifically tainted
Yes.
No.
is
And with age relaxation and other concessions. These disabled candidates mentioned
other concession means you want the tainted candidates to
if he is
be
disabled, if he is only disabled, according to our
disabled tainted candidates.
yes.
This is the concession that you are giving.
Yes, in terms of the Supreme Court judgment, I am not giving. This is Supreme Court judgment.
What type of concession? Age relaxation.
This is Supreme Court judgment. I have nothing to do.
Age relaxation.
That Supreme Court has given it.
Yes,
Yes.
but not to the tainted ones.
My lord, this includes that.
What it includes?
Includes that, my lord. However, in consideration of the disability, kindly read paragraph 48.
Yes.
Yes, these candidates will be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection process appointed are completed.
So
This
the
is-
tainted candidates who are there will continue till the fresh selection process. How can you permit them to participate?
Kindly next, these disabled mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the
Disabled
fresh selection.
tainted
No,
candidates.
according to our reading, this is there. That is the
See,
reason.
the next
If
line
the losses hold it, I will cancel.
specifically
If your losses-
candidates who are not
If your losses hold
specifically
that,
tainted.
if your losses hold that, we'll cancel. We have nothing to do. We have to carry out the orders of the court.
That means you say that you are aware that they are in the tainted list, but only because of the fact that they are physically handicapped. you are
That's
not
right,
letting them
exactly.
to get-
I am saying so in terms of paragraph 46 and 47.
All right.
Reading of my judgment is this.
All right, I get it.
Now, my lord, kindly-
Reading of the judgment is same.
Well,
Reading of my
I have only one because as far as I am concerned,
Who are you? You are also physically handicapped.
no.
Then-
That's I
But my lord, so far other players is concerned, that's why he is asking for a roving inquiry. That's not permissible.
Well, as far as this concerns, I am not affected.
Not affected.
So I don't want to make any
You are not physically
because I am an untainted. I also want it should be only for the untainted.
Yes.
Now regarding paragraph 48, I restrain to say anything because that is not, I am not supposed to say anything on that because I am not for the disabled in this case. Since there are other prayers which affects me, so that's why my application.
Other prayers means
The
submission is
10
that
marks, there are many prayers.
10 marks is the main issue.
They fundamental issue 10 marks.
no, that today it is not canvassed.
Correct.
And at the very beginning it was said that 28 whatever will
That
happen.
canvassing we understand only when it is canvassed.
Yes.
Prior to that, we understand only from the
The
prayer.
repetition.
The
Yes.
prayer is it is-
Many.
yes, that's the main.
I
But
understand.
if it is restricted to the disabled,
Today the submission is only
Yes,
this,
then I-
and
When you see in the subsequent without order of the Honorable Supreme Court, and Mr. Bandyopadhyay had made a very frank statement
Yes, I am saying so.
that this is the order which was passed on the prayer of Lord some candidates, where my lord, the council for the SSC can come to the page 3.
I could
Yes.
judgment.
We take on record the statement made by the learned senior counsel appearing for the commission that all the appointed teachers who are entitled to appear for the selection test pursuant to the aforesaid direction of this court would be permitted to appear in both the tests, that is 9, so and so. As we have already directed that a list of tainted candidates should be placed in the public domain within a period of 7 days. It's not done.
Yes, done. It's not
done.
correct.
According to us, we also take on record the statement of the learned senior counsel appearing for the commission that none of the tainted candidates would be permitted to appear in the selection test scheduled to be held on such and such. He further states that if any tainted candidate slips through the net and manages to appear for the test, the notice dated so and so issued by the commission stating the eligibility and ineligibility of candidates would be examined in the post-examination stage would come to the aid of the commission. That this is no sleeping, this is not just by chance. This is
Conscious.
Conscious. Yes.
Hmm.
therefore, my lord, this tainted, my lord, if they allow to appear, unless somebody comes and brings
Points
notice
it
of the
out.
court, they go through.
Right.
No, I have no.
And therefore, my lord, to make it absolutely transparent, my lord, the publication of AMRs is for the benefit of all, so that we can compare, my lord, who are the tainted candidates who have slipped in or brought in.
There is enough chances to see other results, and not that again same provision, same procedure.
No, same procedure.
2016.
You
No,
point-
yes, we know that every time some
every
persons are
time-
there. Yes, some persons are there to disturb the everything.
That
They are born for it. We know about that.
Yes.
But so far, my lord, kindly record my submissions to this extent in view of the paragraph. The two paragraphs I have of the Supreme Court judgments. Commission considered them that they are eligible in view of paragraph 49 and
All right.
49, and they have been called for or etc. interview list. I don't know whether they will get it or not. That I don't know, but this has been done.
All right.
And so for the others, that's the name is there. This is mistaking. My lord, another request I will make, my lord, before lordships also direct them to make them party also, because they can't be affected. My lord, they can't be affected by any order passed by your lordships. They can't be affected without being before your lordships.
What about the publication of the tainted list?
Yes.
Tainted list we have published, my lord. How many times I will give this? My lord, we have a tainted list. I have given it 291 to 334.
Can you see the list?
Yes.
Does it, my lord, give the
I
details of-
cannot make a list to the satisfaction of Mr. Bhattacharya's client. Yes, to this I am doing it.
You are not
No,
doing
I
law.
am doing in terms of law.
Yes.
But your clients are the persons who will disturb all the time for creating disturbance.
Going to
The
the
court is here.
Uh-huh.
Please do not answer each other.
Okay, my lord.
The court is here to hear you.
291 to 324.
291 to
To 324.
324.
কোথায় এটা?
একটা লোক পাস করতে পারে না, চাকরি পায় না।
Please do not make these type of comments. You are a very senior member.
91 kindly.
Please don't. 291.
291 to
Interview to auditor or OMR sheet.
324.
Order judgment.
324 nahi? Yes, 324.
1804. Serial number last 324.
Yes. This is only for the group 9 and 11 and 12.
What about the
19
others?
Oh yes, 9, 10, 11, 12.
All four classes.
All four.
1804 candidates name serial number is there.
এই তো আছে তো।
1804.
Yes.
According to the
1804.
investigation, and how many candidates are there in the tainted list?
More than 6,000. As per our estimation of 3 categories.
That is a group C, group D.
That's
It's a 9, 10, 11, 12.
9, 10, 11, 12?
That is enough. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1804.
1804. 1804 names
Can
have
you
been
identify
published.
anyone?
Identify?
Yes. Which category?
You
Where from they are applying? Look, this is, my lord, the deceptive way to mislead the entire people, including the court. How can I know what is this? Who is Nitish Manu? Which category did he apply? What is his father's name? The detailed category will may not help the people all and sundry to identify. But every day we are receiving the information from many corners that this tainted person have gone to. I can also show the WhatsApp, but I'm not going to do that. Why the School Service Commission would hide with the the details authorities?
All right.
That's why you have made this prayer, and that's why the division bench of the High Court directed you publish the AMR.
Where is that?
Will kindly come to the order of the division bench, which was upheld by the Supreme Court.
And that time Mohammed was published. That time Mohammed was published.
While kindly turn to paragraph 363, the directions given by the division bench.
That was March with the Supreme Court.
Paragraph
363.
That Mohammed was disclosed.
Final directions.
11, 12.
363.
363 of which one?
This is the Justice Basak's order.
Yes, division bench judgment.
OMR sheets available if not already done, or such portion not done. Must be uploaded and made available to
Yes.
the public for viewing.
And all these directions are upheld by the Supreme Court. What's the difficulty in for the authorities? Otherwise, these sort of litigations will continue.
Right. Please come.
First is, Malad, can I? That was in relation to first SLST. That is
The
nothing.
tainted candidates is in
I have
first.
given the tainted candidate list to your lordship.
No, the division bench said that you have to upload it in the website. Portions not done. You have given
Portions
the name
not
and
done.
the
Hmm.
OMR.
Hmm.
OMR. You have given the name and the roll number.
That is now.
He
That
say-
is after the judgment has been delivered, after the matter challenge has been moved here. This is in respect of 2016. So 2025. This is 2025. The court said where is the list of the tainted candidates. Then we said within 7 days we will disclose the tainted candidates' names. That is the tainted candidates' names have been given.
You publish the name. You have already published the names and their details. Father's name.
Milord, this is not. This is Milord, is a too far prayer for a petitioner, and this court should not entertain, Milord.
All right. Please.
Milord, kindly see this. Next is 323.
323.
This is too far. Milord, court will not.
323.
Kindly see the from 325. I have given to your lordship. See status, category, name, roll number, everything. What is this? I have to give the home address. Am I a police officer? They will not do any homework. They will not do any homework.
320.
325. Kindly see.
What is it?
See. Serial number, roll number, name, status.
Who are they?
Why are they? Who are they? If you see,
No, what is
if
this?
a person
What does status mean? OMR issue?
status, mismatch mark, OMR, that is all mismatch. That is the OMR. Milord, this is a whole list is there. Milord, if one litigant sleeps in his house, that doesn't mean that I have to feed him.
Oh.
Then yes, of course. This is not. And Milord, this court should not be turned into a court of a roving inquiry. Yes. Yes.
Sir, it's
Yes. No. Tell
request.
Mr. Bhattacharya also.
I
You are also only blaming me.
I
You are
am
not saying to
making
Mr. Bhattacharya.
submission. This is
No,
a
you are
request.
also blaming me.
You
Comments is from Mr. Bhattacharya. Reaction is there. You are only telling me, not Mr. Bhattacharya. I know that I am not a like person, but don't only this to me you will say.
I have only one sentence. Only one sentence.
Most likely, how can I be?
Whatever order on tainted, I am not going to be affected. But the process which is continuing, I humbly pray lordships may not stop or stay the process which they prayed.
No.
Only that.
Nothing. That is not the prayer also.
Regarding the transparency for the tainted,
Yes,
I
yes.
don't want to say.
That is not the
Yes,
prayer.
because I am an untainted, I have nothing to say. But
Only one thing may I just tell you, lordships. In regard to non-compliance of our division bench order, our division bench has said in contempt application, everybody go to the Supreme Court. I'll have a look at that paragraph 56.
Yes, it's all right. Parties are there before the Supreme Court. It's not that they are not there.
No, therefore, any non-compliance of this is the non-compliance they are urging of Justice Bosak's order.
Are you there in the tainted list?
No,
No.
but this goes on and on.
Only one.
I'm also to be without service.
Sorry, my lord, one submission. Mr. Bhattacharya's client filed an application for contempt before Justice Bosak. That was dismissed. Against that order, nobody has gone to Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court no one has initiated any order. If there is a violation of the division bench order, then the contempt proceeding would be drawn up. That has not been initiated.
The matter relates to second SLST. Conducted by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission. Stop. The petitioners. How many are there? Petitioners?
Two
Petitioners
just-
participated in the recruitment process.
Just excuse me, Milord. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. Milord, I am saying it's not maintainable because they are all
Unsuccessful candidates. In the recruitment process. Stop. The result for the written examination has been declared. Stop. the petitioners have not cleared the written test. Stop. They allege that there are several candidates from the tainted list published by the commission in terms of the orders passed by this court and the Honorable Supreme Court, who have been allowed to participate in the recruitment process and whose name appears in the list of tainted candidates published by the commission. Stop. Attention of the court has been drawn to the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, wherein there is specific direction that the candidates whose names appear in the list of tainted candidates will not be permitted to participate in the recruitment process. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the commission to publish the tainted list in such a manner so that the identity of the candidates can be properly ascertained. Stop. It has been submitted for the for the purpose of maintaining fairness and transparency in the recruitment process, such list of tainted candidates ought to be published by the commission. The order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 29th August 2025 in Matt, Rehana Begum and others versus State of West Bengal and others.